Skywatch Media News for June the 28th, 2021. A comet so big that it may actually be a minor planet is presently encroaching on our planetary system from the region of the Oort Cloud, and it is forecast to make its closest approach in the year 2031 from just outside the orbit of Saturn. The comet, referred to as C-2014 UN-271, is the largest comet ever discovered. Current estimates place its nucleus somewhere between 62 and 230 miles in diameter. The suspected size would put its nucleus at 2 to 3 times bigger than the record-breaking comet Hale-Bopp, which was discovered in July of 1995. The monster comet was discovered by Pennsylvania astronomers Bernardinelli and Bernstein from years of data gathered by the Dark Energy Survey, which observes objects moving across the sky. During the years between 2014 and 2018, they found that this comet was yielding the orbit in a minor planet electronic circular. If the object is eventually determined to be larger than the estimated size of 62 to 230 miles, it will become the largest Oort Cloud object ever discovered. Keep in mind that in the year 1729, a comet named Saturn was considered to be the largest Oort Cloud object ever seen, with estimates of about 100 kilometers or roughly 60 miles in diameter. The comet was a naked-eye discovery on August the 1st of 1729, credited to a Jesuit priest and mathematician, Father Nicholas Sarabat. It first appeared as a faint nebulous star in the constellation Aquarius, with a magnitude brightness of +5. At the time of its discovery, the comet, which was great in size, was very much overlooked by astronomers, since the comet did not possess a significant brightness or a distinct tail during its passage. For this reason, the comet would forever be known as the unlucky comet of the millennium. The newest comet discovery would put it on a similar scale with the comet Saturn, and would undoubtedly place it in a dwarf planet territory. The comet will continue its inward movement over the next decade until sometime in the year 2031, when it enters into the orbit of Saturn. Estimates of its orbit upon entering the solar system vary a bit, but they look something like this. The current trajectory places the comet at around 20 astronomical units from the Sun, which indicates that it has already passed the orbit of Neptune, which is at 29.7 AU from the Sun. During its approach, the comet will develop the characteristics of a coma and tail of dusty material. The comet will also become as bright as Pluto's moon, Charon, with an estimated brightness of near magnitude +17, before then exiting the solar system. The discovery of comet UN-271 has been nothing short of amazing, considering its 600,000-year journey through deep space. The comet has an extremely elongated orbit, stretching from the orbit of Saturn all the way to a distance of nearly a light year. At the far reaches of its orbit, it hardly feels the effects of the Sun's gravity and could easily be pulled out of the solar system by galactic forces. And so its inbound journey is quite a feat, one that only a large celestial body could accomplish. Here is the bottom line as to what we can ascertain thus far. Astronomers have discovered a giant object that is headed towards the inner regions of our solar system that may be the largest Oort Cloud object ever observed by scientists. It's possible that the object may be a dwarf planet traveling in an elongated orbit that is comet-like in origin and that it will possess a tail of dust debris. It is expected to become brighter in the sky as it comes closer in the next 10 years. So stay tuned, folks. This story has legs, and it's about to get a lot more interesting. On June 24th, the Earth bore witness to an incredible sight, a strawberry supermoon, the final supermoon for the year 2021. The spectacle capped off a recent surge of skywatching events, including a lunar eclipse and a ring of fire solar eclipse. A supermoon occurs when it is at its closest distance to Earth, and this year we were treated to 4 of them. Here are some captivating images of the last supermoon of 2021. We are all aware that our sky is full of surprises, and it consists of many fascinating moments of discovery, such as the sun appearing between these tall buildings in New York, often referred to as the Manhattan solstice, where the sun aligns with the east and west streets, and it only happens 4 times during the year. Now take a look at these mammatus clouds that overwhelmed the sky above Warsaw, Poland on June the 24th. These phenomenal formations are comprised primarily of ice, and the pouch-like extensions can extend for hundreds of miles in any direction. They can remain visible in the sky for up to 15 minutes, and they are usually followed by extreme thunderstorms. And then there was this apocalyptic footage from Fort Walton Beach, Florida, taken on June the 21st. In the video, a thick layer of ominous clouds is seen stretching for miles along the white sandy beach. These clouds are known as asperatus, where wave-like structures form on the underside of the cloud, which resembles a rough sea. These cloud formations are also linked to severe storm conditions. The sky is constantly changing from moments of striking beauty to times when it is bleak and void of life. But regardless of the scene that is created, it will almost always have an effect on your day. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching, and always keep looking to the sky.